Hello everyone, I'm Seema Tarov, the Director of Instructional Technology at Avila University. In this video, I'll be explaining how to utilize roll call attendance features within a Canvas course. Once you are in the course, you should be able to see the attendance link in navigation menu. But if you don't see the link here, the attendance link here, all you need to do is just go into the course setting page by clicking on settings link. And then here, click on navigation tab. And if the attendance is not listed here, basically if it's listed here under the hidden items, all you need to do just drag it and drop it at the top and then save it. But since we already have the attendance right here, we don't have to do anything about that. So let's go back to the home page and start using the attendance. So in the course, usually when you click on the attendance for the very first time and use the attendance, basically Canvas create an assignment for you called roll call attendance assignment. So right now, if I go to my assignments list, as you can see, there is no roll call attendance listed here. But if I go to attendance for the first time and make some action, actually you have to make some action as soon as you click on one of these items, Canvas create an assignment for you. So let's start with making the roll call for each student. So I'm going to select this student as being present, absent, and late, and present for this one as well. However, we have more option here. So for each student, you can select a more button, and then as you can see, you can add a badge. So what is that? If I click on add a badge, I can create my own badge. For example, if a student is excused from the class, then I can create this badge, and then with one icon and the color of the icon, let's select orange, and then save the badge. So I'm going to turn this on, and then in my gradebook or my roll call attendance, I can see that this student, he has excuse, but I set it as a present. And again, it's up to you what type of badge you can add, but this is basically some extra action that you can make in the in the roll call attendance. So now that this is ready for me, I have to mention something. If your course contain two courses, like if they are cross-listed, if your course is cross-listed with other courses, for example section 1 and section 2, then you have to click on this drop-down menu and select the other section to see the list of the student in the second section as well. So since in my test course I have only 4 students, I don't have another section, so this is what I see while it's present. So but again, if you have 2 sections, 3 sections combined or cross-listed, you can click on a drop-down menu and select each section and see those specific students that are enrolled in different sections as well. Another thing, you can basically mark all of them present. If you have a very long list of the students, you can mark them all as present like this, and then the one who are not present or they are late, you can make some changes as well. Here you have to make sure basically the time and not the time, the date is correct. So if you click on this calendar, you can see this is for today. In case if you want to do this the next day, you want to make sure you're doing it in a correct date. There are different view. Right now we are in a list view, but if you click on a class view, basically if there are some specific seats that all the students sitting, you can just drag them and drop in a specific seat, so you know who sit where. Those options are available as well. So I'm going back to the list view now that I am finished and I've completed my roll call for today. Then I want to show you something that I just mentioned at the beginning. If I go to assignment page right here, you can see the roll call attendance appear under the attendance group. So this is happening automatically, and then Canvas create a roll call attendance assignment for you. Let's go ahead and click on the link, and it takes us to a page that we were before, but you can edit this assignment. So click on edit assignment settings and start editing this page or assignment however you want it. So basically this is very similar to the assignment you have been creating and editing. This is the name of the assignment. We don't want to make any changes, but here you can also add some description or instructions if you want, and by default it shows the this assignment has 100 points. You can make a change to 10 to however you want it. This is part of the assignment group. We talked about that before. So basically in this test course, I have a discussion group, quizzes group, and assignment group. So Canvas automatically move these under assignments group. And also since the roll call attendance is part of the external tool, that's why we can see the submission tab. So we don't want to make any changes here. Basically, and this is for everyone because I have only one section here in this test course. If you have more than one section, basically you can just use everyone, or you can change it for section 1, section 2, or both. Now here, if you want this assignment, this roll call attendance assignment to count toward your final grade, so all you need to do just with setting up this, just click save and it save it for you. But if you do not want this assignment toward to be count toward your final grade, you need to check on this box, and then after that it will not basically count toward the final grade. So I'm gonna uncheck that. I want this to be part of my assignment group. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save. So I'm done with that part, and let's go ahead and I'm going to go to the next day, and then I'm gonna again put some mark if they are present or they are absent. Let's see, I'm going late for this one. And now that I did for 2 days, for February 15 and February 16, I will go ahead and click on grades now. Once you are in Gradebook, you can see Canvas create a column for roll call attendance, and you can see if the student were 100% present or not. So this is pretty much a straightforward, tell you if they were present or not for each day. So let's go back to the main page, and then from there I'm going to attendance page again. I want to show you something here. So if you click on the gear menu at the top right corner, you have two options. The first option is roll call setting. This is another way of setting if the lateness count as what percentage of the person. Currently is showing as 80%. So if they are late, it's basically count as the percentage, 80% of percentage. You can actually change this however you want it, and also this is the same option if you do not want count to attendance toward final grade, so you can just check on that box as well. So these are the options are available, and also the second option is the attendance report. If I click on this attendance report, basically you can run the report for the whole semester, or you can set a date, a starting date and ending date, or just for one student with the ID number. Then that way basically it's run a report for you and in a CVS file or Excel. So I'm gonna run a report for me, and then it's going to be email me and then from there I can see all these reports in an Excel file. I hope this session was helpful. Please be sure to check out my upcoming video on the new attendance report, and thank you for watching.